How to create an Airpaz account. So hey guys, on today's video I'll be teaching you how to create yourself an Airpaz account. To create an Airpaz account, all we need to do is open up our Airpaz right here. So here at the Airpaz, once we open this up, next thing we need to do is click on next right here. After pressing on next right there, here, yes, keep me updated if you want, but right now we're just skip it. Here, unlock exclusive member perks by signing in. Yes, we're gonna sign in and register. So now, sign in and register. Click on sign in. Now we're gonna sign in with our Google. So I'll see you guys in a few seconds. And as you right now, we are signing in. I have to wait for a few minutes, and there you go. As you see, welcome Airpass member. Now we are now member. Easy as that. So if you choose to like put in your email, it'll be much more difficult. Just you need to get yourself some code, and then after putting your code down, here we just everything's over the place, so it's much more easy to just continue with your Google. So I suggest if you can continue with just your Google right here. So yeah, it's much more easy to do. So there you go, guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you have any more questions or concerns, you can always type it down comment below, guys. Happy to answer you as soon as possible on here on Guide Games. And if you can watch our videos right here on Guide Games on Airpads. We have a lot of videos, and we'll help the channel out if you click on the link on the bottom right there. So there you go. I hope you guys like the video. If you enjoyed, if you have more concerns or anything, you can just type it down comment below, guys. I'm gonna be happy to answer you as soon as possible. And here on how to rock it, guys. And thank you, guys.